So I made a video of a previous impact knockoff brushless impact wrench, and I had it for a week, and the young fella said it didn't really have as much power as it should have had, and that was using the big DeWalt batteries. So I seen this online, and this is, I guess they call it Recor or whatever, and it's the Cordless Impact Wrench Brushless, of course. And there's not much on the packaging itself. It does come with extra sockets, as you can see. We'll open this up and have a look at it. It's opened up here. Bear with me here, my arms kind of useless right now. So here is the tool. And here is the sockets. This is a 1/2 inch impact. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Comes with 6 sockets. And there's 6 point. Just take a quick minute here and look it over. And this is a 750 foot-pound torque impact. And the reviews on this model is really good. Apparently it's a lot stronger than the other one. It accepts the DeWalt batteries. It does not take the 2.0 battery. It takes the bigger batteries. And I recommend, if you're buying a DeWalt, like with the other impact I had, I've never used the small batteries, and just probably not enough power putting out to them. Make sure you use the 6.0 amp. 4 probably work just as well, but 6 would probably be the best. And this is a 3-year warranty product too, guys. A 3-year warranty product. So they say if anything goes wrong with it, they will replace the unit with no questions asked. So it looks like a nice unit. Is there anything else in the box? There's no papers. We receive a gasket and an extra pen for something. I don't quite know where that goes, but yeah. Is there anything else in here? No instructions or booklets or nothing? No. So, all the information on this item, it has 2 lights on it too, actually. I forgot to mention that. There's a light here on the bottom. I can show you here. And there's a light right here. And you have this is a 3-speed variable speed unit. And then, you can see in here you have different settings. So there's high and low, I do know that, and there's different impact settings, so I don't know, I'll have to check that out and see. I don't see no booklet in the box. So I'll have to check it out and see. No instruction manual. But anyway, we'll take us out to the shop and we'll have a look at it. Put a battery on it. It's not really that heavy. check it out and see how it looks. But I thought I'd share that with you guys. You'll see a video of the previous model, these of a knockoff of the DeWalt Impact, and it was all right. It just apparently didn't have enough torque. Young fella was saying. I think he was rotating his tires on his vehicle, and he said taking them off was kind of slow compared to his plug-in one. So we'll see about this one. So let's just hook a battery up to this and see how it performs. The battery works, slides on good, and it does have a belt clip thing here. I think I have one in the shop for it, but I don't think you'd be hooking that to a belt anyway. So let's take it to the shop and have a quick look at the battery fitment and the settings on the Impact. Don't think I'm going to be able to do a test on it. I'll probably leave that up to my boy, but let's take it out to the shop and see how the battery's fit up on it. Here we are out in the shop. So these little impacts, I'm probably going to have to buy one of these things here to put all the impacts in that I have loose. So let's take this out. And this will have to go in the toolbox for now. Set this to a side. So here's the Impact. And these are a knockoff 6.0 amp battery for 20 volt max. And these work really well. These are fully charged, I do believe, yeah. I have two of them I bought. We only paid, I think it was $40 for the two of them. $20 a piece. And I use these in my saw. And they work really well. So let's just put this in the Impact and see how it works. So there it is, hooked on. It's quite a hefty unit. So it's got that dry run, so you pull the trigger, it'll stop. Watch. So there's no torque on it, so I don't sit there and keep dry running it, I guess that they call it. But it's got a lock. It's got two batteries on it, or two lights, I mean. As you can see, there's one on top, one on the bottom. Should give good light. And this is the settings for the battery. I can't remember the settings, and there wasn't a card on the unit itself. So right now it's on 1. So that allows it to actually operate without that stop. And I think it's on high when it's in 1. And 2, there's 4. It's just that's the lowest setting. So 4 is the lowest impact setting. And 3, next one up. And it shows the battery display here too. So yeah, so that's number 1 is the highest impact, and it shows your battery display. Pretty cool. I like that 2 lights on it though. That's neat. So this is the 1/2 inch. They call them Recor or whatever. 1/2 inch impact. And it looks just like the DeWalt tools. color's off a little bit, but that's fine. But I like the fact that they built a Impact knockoff that fits the DeWalt batteries, because I have so many batteries. Now they say that the smaller battery will not work in this, so let's just put the smaller battery in. I have one right here. This is a 20 volt 2.2 amp. So let's just slide that in and see if it works. I don't recommend running that 2 amp on a unit like this, because this probably needs a lot of power. I mean, if you want top performance, you're going to want the bigger batteries. So just let's put that in and see what runs it. Okay, so I have the 2 amp battery in the unit. I notice the battery doesn't seem to fit too snug with the 2 amp. Let's try and see if it works. Oh, it still uses it. Still works. Showed in the picture when purchasing it did not accept the 2 amp battery, probably because the current, this doesn't have enough power for the 2 amp to run it, but it still works. It still fits in the unit. So yeah. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. Just a quick little video here of it. Cheap knockoff of the DeWalt Impact Brushless unit. 3-year warranty. You see these on Amazon. And the previous one, which I'll link the video in this video of the previous one I had. And this one here is 750 foot-pound torque. The other one was only 550. And I seen it, so I just said, oh, it's going back. Didn't have enough power in it anyway, so right on, you guys. Thanks for watching.